All right, so you're going to translate and reflect the graph of the linear function. Number 13, it says let the parent function f of x become x. You're going to describe the transformation, then graph it. Okay, so here we see the f of x plus 4. So all we do here is replace the f of x with the x because that's what it says. Okay, f of x equals to x. Make sure it's an equation, so we make it y equals. Now we can just graph that. Okay. So all we have to do here is put the y-intercept here at 4, go up 1, across 1, up 1, across 1, and then now just connect the lines, okay? All right, there you go. That's how the first one would look like, okay? This is the new graph, okay? The original graph of f of x equals to x is this one, okay? This is how this is f of x equals to x, or y equals to x, okay? So from the parent, which is red, to the new graph, it went up 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say this is a translate up 4, okay? All right, the next one, b, f of x. We substitute that in for x, make y equals to that. So we can now graph that. Negative 2 is right here. Go up 1, across 1, up 1, across 1. And now we can just connect the dots here. Okay. And then there you go. This is the new graph. And let's make sure we graph the original. Okay. All right. And it looks like it went down 1, 2. So here we would say it is translated down 2. All right. So A and B were all translates up or down. Okay. For D and E, this should be D and E. Okay. I would like to know that this from D and E, these two questions are not on the test. Okay. It's not on the test, but I'm going to show you it in a ways. Okay. So when it is plus 1, all right, what happens here is that this is going to be translated 1 unit left, okay? And it's going to make more sense later in the spring when I go over this in a little bit more detail, okay? But it would look something like this, okay? So it just moved over here, okay, and up 1, okay? So that's how it would look like. Right. Okay. So this is the new. Okay. And the parent is the original one right here. That would be the parent. Okay. So it went translated 1 unit to the left. Okay. And this one, it is a minus 3. So this is going to be translated 3 units to the right. Okay, so here's the original parent. I'm going to draw the parent first. Right. Here you go. This is the parent. And then we have here, we're going to move it 3 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, maintain the same slope. And this is the new. And that's translated to the right. Okay, so there you go. That is A, B, C, and D. Okay.